Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the restrictions on YouTube so you'll be able to watch any video you'd like to. First thing, let's launch the YouTube app. When you're on the YouTube feed, you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your icon with your profile picture and it says you. You click on it, then you want to go on the top right corner where is the gear icon. You want to click on the gear icon and then you want to click on general. When you click on general, you have all the menu that is related to the user experience. The section that we're focusing today is restricted mode. You see, it was off, now it's on. What is restrictive mode, first of all? The restrictive mode is essentially hiding potential videos that might not be good for you, in a sense of which they might be dangerous, they might cause an emotion, negative impact on you or whatsoever. According to YouTube, this is simply helping you to hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate, meaning that some videos might bypass the algorithm that usually hides these videos. So you're not 100% safe even if you have this option on or off. This setting only applies to the app on the device. This means that if you have a different device, a tablet or a laptop that is logged in inside the same exact account, you have to go and manually toggle in or out on each of the device individually. This doesn't go along and doesn't actually goes at the same way when you actually change the setting on one device. This is very important. So this is how it works, on and off, and go and change it on each and every device, because this is not going to happen automatically. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.